Hello and welcome back to Disabling Prepping. Today we're going to try that Eco laundry sheets. So, I'm just putting in my laundry right now. And then we will try out the new Eco sheets. I am using the Fresh Scent one. So, should be nice. Alright, now we're going to open it up. And these dissolve immediately once they come in contact with liquid. So here's, well, half the sheet. Yeah, they come in two halves like this, and it just came right apart. So, let's see, a half a sheet, we'll do a medium load. One whole sheet, which is two of these squares, we'll do a large load, or two sheets so two full sheets, so four of these squares would do a heavy soiled or extra large load. But from what I've heard from a lot of people that have tried it, that this piece right here, half the sheet, is more than enough to do a really good load. So you can even take this and break it in half. Well, you'd have to cut it in half because it doesn't really break. They have a really cool texture, actually. But you can use just a little bit of this if you want to do a spot treatment. You just pour a little bit, tear a little piece of this off, put it in some water, and it will dissolve. And you can take a brush and brush it on the spot wherever you want it. So we're just going. This is this is the Fresh Scent one. We're just going to throw this in there, and it will completely dissolve in the laundry. None of this will, as soon as it hits water. Let's see if I can turn on the water quickly. We do have coin laundry here, so, or you can use the app. I'm using this one because it costs 25 cents less than the rest of them. We're not sure why it does that, but that's how they set this one up. So, sorry about the noise. We're gonna close them. So, see that we got a little bit of water in here? I'm just gonna dump it in there. You can already see that the corner has rounded. It literally dissolves as soon as it touches water. So hopefully you can see that. It's totally dissolved that corner, and I can convince this to give me a little bit more water. There. This thing doesn't work with the water going. Yeah, see, that's just touching the water, and then it's completely dissolving. It's alright, I'm going to throw this in there, and we're going to do our wash. So you don't want to get these things wet at all. They will completely dissolve on you. But they're really handy. You can spot treat things with it. You could use it in camping. Just, use a little bit of water, wash up your clothes, or if you're through hiking, you can wash up, your unmentionables with this. No big deal. You can wash it up really quickly. So, alright everybody, that was a little bit about the laundry soap and what it looks like and how quickly it dissolves. Alright everybody, kind of ignoring the fact that I still got my winter hair. I haven't gotten it cut yet. But, alrighty, you have a great day. God bless you overflowing, and may you keep each and every one of you safe. Bye for now.